This is the kit that we're going to be working with today to do our lash extensions. The kit comes with your cluster lashes, this bond and seal, a spoolie, these tweezers. I like to do my lashes in a cat eye sort of formation. This is the easiest and most beginner way to apply your lashes. Start with clean lashes, no mascara, no makeup on your lashes. It's just gonna make your application process a lot easier. On the outer corner, I like to place a 13mm right there. I've got it right here. When you are picking up the lashes off of the little case that they come in, just be gentle that you don't pull too hard. You want to kind of grab closer to the band where the lashes are actually attached, but be gentle so that you don't rip the band or pull any of the hairs off of the band. I'm gonna go on these lashes on the outer corner. I'm gonna apply a generous amount, but not too much, okay? That's the key. I like to take some of that bond and put it on the base of that lash band before I stick it on. And then I just lift my eye up like that and stick it on just like that. There we go. Now I'm gonna go in with a 15ml. I'm gonna take some of that bond and get like a generous amount on here. I just like to make sure it's sitting a certain way. And then I am going to put that one as close to the other one as I can. There we go. I'm gonna go back in with the bond and get these lashes over here. I'm gonna go in with another 15mm. I'm gonna take the bond, put a good amount of that bond on that lash. Lift up my lash, put it at the base, put it on there, press it in. Now I'm gonna go in with a 14mm. Make sure I get that on there. Put it as close to that one as I can, slide it off. And I'm gonna just press up to make sure it's in there. Take a little bit more of the bond and go in right here. Now I'm gonna go in with another 13. Now I'm gonna go in with a 12. Now I'm gonna go in with an 11. Squeeze. Make sure that all the lashes are firmly placed. None of them are like hanging, anything like that. And I'm gonna take the seal side and I'm going to go under here, press again to make sure that everything is like in place. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's.
These are my results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.